Principle of Management MCQs Part 3. Luther Gullik classified the functions of management as Option A post-copt, Option C postcard, Option D post-cob, Option B post-draw. The correct answer is Option C post-cob. Father of administrative management is dash Mary Padlett, Option B Linian Gilbert, Option C Henry Foyle, Option D Elton Mayo. The correct answer is Option C Henry Foyle. Father of administration management is Henry Foyle. Pioneer of human relations is dash Option A Mary Packard, Option B Linian Gilbert, Option C Henry Foyle, Option D Elton Mayo. The correct answer is Option D Elton Mayo. Management is the art and science of decision making and leadership. Option A Hedgerscons, Option D Donald J. Goff, Option C Louis Allen, Option D Terry. The correct answer is Option B Donald J. Goff. Management is the art and science of decision making and leadership is given by Donald J. Goff. To manage is to forecast and plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate, and to control. This definition was given by dash Option A Peter Drucker, Option B Henry Foyle, Option C Louis Allen, Option D Terry. The correct answer is Option B Henry Foyle. To manage is to forecast and plan, to organize, to compound, to coordinate, and to control. This definition was given by Henry Foyle. Management is what a manager does. Option A Peter Drucker, Option B Terry, Option C Louis Allen, Option D Henry Foyle. The correct answer is Option C Louis Allen. Management is what a management does is given by Louis Allen. F.W. Taylor is associated with Option A scientific management, Option B future management, Option C modern management, Option D principle of management. The correct answer is Option A scientific management. Henry Foyle was a French dash Option A industrialist, Option B writer, Option C manager, Option D actor. The correct answer is Option A industrialist. Henry Foyle was a French industrialist. General and Industrial Management was written by dash Henry Goods, Option B Terry, Option C Louis Allen, Option D Henry Foyle. The correct answer is Option D Henry Foyle. Esprit de corps means Option A union is strength, Option B service is our motto, Option C buyer behavior, Option D product is our strength. The correct answer is Option A union is strength. Management is dash an art, a science, an art and a science, an art not science. The correct answer is Option C an art and a science. Every subordinate should receive order from and be accountable to only one superior is dash. Option A unity of direction, Option B unity of command, Option C centralization, Option D scalar chain. The correct answer is Option B unity of command. Every subordinate should receive order from and be accountable to only one superior is unity of command. Control system of an organization has no influence over the dash. Option A internal environment, Option B external environment, Option C customer, Option D government. The correct answer is Option B external environment. Control system of an organization has no influence over the external environment, which is created for technology purpose. Option A formal organization, Option B informal organization, Option C business or organization, Option D strategic organization. The correct answer is Option A formal organization, which is created for technological purpose. Option A formal organization. The chain of command from the highest authority to the lowest level in the organization is dash. Option A unity of direction, Option B unity of command, Option C centralization, Option D scalar chain. The correct answer is Option D scalar chain. The chain of command from the highest authority to the lowest level in the organization is scalar chain. Allotment of work to each worker on the basis of the capacity of an average worker functioning in the normal working condition is dash. Option A social task planning, Option B scientific task planning, Option C not a planning, Option D scientific organizing. The correct answer is Option B scientific task planning. Allotment of work to each worker on the basis of the capacity of an average work functioning in the normal working condition is scientific task planning. Study of the movement of both the worker and the machine to eliminate wasteful movement is dash. Option A fatigue study, option B time study, option C motion study, option D work study. The correct answer is option C motion study. A study of the movement of both the worker and the machine to eliminate wasteful movement is motion study. A study related to the fixing of the working hour with rest period to recoup the energy while performing in a job is called option A fatigue study, option B time study, option C motion study, option D work study. The correct answer is option A fatigue study. The first and foremost function of management is option A planning, option B organization, option C controlling, option D coordination. The correct answer is option A planning. The first and the foremost function of management is planning. Planning also lays down the overall objective, strategies, and policy for the total enterprise is option A corporate planning, option B division planning, option C unit planning, option D department planning. The correct answer is option A corporate planning. Planning lays down the overall objective, strategies, and policy for the total enterprise is corporate planning. Strategic planning is dash. Option A long-term planning, option B medium-term planning, option C short-term planning, option D annual planning. The correct answer is option A long-term planning. Strategic planning is long-term planning. The assumption about future derived from forecasting and used in planning are known as planning premises, option B freehold premises, option C business premises, option D corporate premises. The correct answer is option A planning premises. Goals, aims, purpose, mission, and target is also known as dash. Option A objective, option B strategic, option C policies, option D rules. The correct answer is option A objective. Contingent plan to meet environmental pressure is dash. Option A objective, option B strategies, option C policies, option D rules. The correct answer is option B strategies. Contingent plan to meet environmental pressure is strategies. A chronological sequence of steps to be undertaken to enforce a policy and to attain an objective is known as option A objective, option B strategies, option C procedure, option D rules. The correct answer is option C procedure. A chronological sequence of steps to be undertaken to enforce a policy and to attain an objective is known as procedures. For more MCQs, please prefer subscribing and click on the notification bell icon for the next part. Thank you.